Hey everyone, I just got my April 2017 YarnCrush shipment in the mail, so let's see what we got. Oh wow, all kinds of stuff in this one. Okay, so it says we got a bag of polyfill. So are we making, we got eyeballs. Ooh, I guess we're making a stuffed animal. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I hope you guys can pick up the colors. We got like a green with a little bit of yellow, and then it kind of goes up to like a grayish and blue. It's 100% superwash merino, 88 yards in each, so it's 440 yards total. Okay. Open this up and see what the yarn feels like. Just want to pull one out. Nice. Okay. What else we got in here? Oh, I got some type of a goodie. Okay. No clue what this is. Bookmark? Something? I don't know. Let's open it up and see. Try to guess, and then I'll read the paper to see what the obvious answer is. I lift here. Or, do I lift here? Do I lift here too? I'm so confused. Okay. It's a book stand. I think, I want to look. Got pipe cleaner. A narwhal. Unicorn whale. The narwhal. Okay. That is really, really cool. Look at the picture. Oh my god, it's so cute. Beginner level. I didn't check. Is that crochet? Or yeah, I think it's crochet. Magic loop. It's crochet. So, the crochet pattern. Ooh, the needle knit pattern. A really pretty shawl. Very nice. Okay, so we'll see. Like I said, April 2017. The goodies. Alright. Yarns from Canada. Retail value is $25.99. Knitting pattern. This one. Retail value $6.50. The crochet pattern. Retail value $4. So cute. The notions, we got the doll eyes and the polyfill, which is the stuffing to complete the narwhal. Retail value $3.99. Bonus gift $6.99. If you like working from patterns on your smartphone, tablet, or e-reader, we think you'll find this portable tablet stand very useful. Okay. Alright, that makes complete sense. Complete sense. Awesome. Keep it in your purse or project bag. You'll always be ready to prop your device up at an easy to use, easy to read angle, and the handy screen cleaning pad is attached to the back. What? Okay. At risk of popping off my beautifully fake nails, I want to figure this thing out. Oh! Okay, I totally overthought that. That is so neat. Alright, I'm going to grab my phone. So, this just goes like this and cleans off everything from your face. That's really cool. Okay, so this will definitely be something to keep in my purse. Now that you know how it opens up, it comes out very easily. I was just doing it completely wrong. Oh, my phone stand is very thick, so let's see if my phone will fit in it. I might have to take it out of the case, or at least, no I don't. Close enough. It'll hold it. I'm happy. That is really neat. Okay, was not expecting that. Alright, let me go ahead, see what else we got. We got some coupon codes, which I will put the coupon codes in the video description below. And links to everything up here. And here's a coupon code off the crochet pattern, sorry. Needle pattern. info about the yarn. You can get 15% off the yarn, 50% off any pattern, buy one get one free for the knitting. Ooh, one of our featured dyers for May is working away on 3 great new YarnCrush exclusive collars. We'll be posting a sneak peek to our Ravelry group. There's a Ravelry group as soon as we can, so stay tuned. Okay, absolutely love this month's. Kind of a fan of stuffed animals. That's really an area I haven't got into a lot. Been kind of a nervous, it's a nervous move for me to go from just like shawls and things with angles and to go to stuffed animals. I did pillow. That's a start. I'll move this so you can see the yarn. So we got the 2 patterns. We got the yarn. We got the polyfill. I'm going to say this is to hold the horn in horn shape. And we got the eyes for it. And I got this really cool little phone holder that has, see, super easy now. Clean screener, a screen cleaner on it. So that's really, really neat. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. This was my YarnCrush subscription. All the info for the yarn, the patterns, everything in the paperwork will be in the description below. There's also some special coupon codes in there for my subscribers that you may want to check out if this is a subscription box that you would like to try out. I'm a fan. I'm always getting really neat and different things, and I love how their patterns come printed out, so it's very easy to put into just a pattern folder if you keep all your patterns and be able to go back and reference. That's very nice. I always like that. And I always get like interesting, neat little things that I wasn't expecting, like this, which I'll totally use. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.